This is a parliamentary dictation with speed of 80 words per minute taken from Sir Kailash Chandra, translation number 54. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready? Mr. Chairman, the discussion on the resolution put forward by Mr. Sinha and the substitute motion put forward by Mr. Das has turned out to be a discussion in the nature of a general discussion of the budget of the All India Radio. I do not want to go into all the considerations which have been put forward, but I want to say one thing about the substitute motion that has been put forward by Mr. Das. I think in India we are developing a passion for having committees and commissions. We want a committee or a commission for every blessed thing that there is in India. I think there are millions and millions of things in India. I would say that before we think of having any other commission or committee appointed, I should first of all read the reports of those committees and commissions which are before us, digest them and take action on them, and then think of doing something else. Para. For instance, what is the record of the Ministry of Broadcasting in the matter of the Film Inquiry Committee report? They have now the Press Commission's report. The two bodies have been set up by this ministry. What action has been taken on the report of the Film Inquiry Committee, and what action is going to be taken on the report of the Press Commission? I think that the Press Commission's report may be thrown into cold storage. Para. We will not allow it to be thrown into cold storage. I know what has happened to the report of the Film Inquiry Committee. Therefore, I say that this passion for committees and commissions should be curbed, and we should not run away with the idea that the commission will provide the panacea for all our ills, and that a committee will cure all our difficulties and troubles. Therefore, I think it is no use appointing a commission at this stage to go into the question of broadcasting. There is another thing. My friend has been asking for the appointment of a corporation. It would be tantamount to this that I abrogate almost all my responsibilities and privileges. As a member of the Lok Sabha, I was saying that the need is for direct control. Stop.